discover the Redfoot AutoLift system, designed for effortless, automatic leveling. To get started, simply turn on the system by pressing the power button on the control panel. The system will go through a light sequence to indicate it's initializing. Once complete, it's ready to use. Next, use the remote control and press the start button. The leveling legs will begin unfolding from their home position. When all 4 legs are fully extended, the control panel will beep, signaling that it's ready for the next step. Press the auto button on the remote to initiate the automatic leveling process. The system will deploy the legs and begin adjusting the Caravan to a level position. Once leveling is complete, a green light on the control panel will confirm that your Caravan is perfectly level. To retract the legs, press the Get Up button on the remote. The legs will lift clear of the ground and pause in this position. Press Get Up again to fold the legs back into their home position, ready for travel. Once the legs are fully retracted, you can remove the red pads from the base of the legs. Finally, turn off the system by pressing the power button on the control panel, and you're all set to head out on your next adventure. And that's it! The Redfoot AutoLift system simplifies setting up and packing up your Caravan, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. To find out more about this system or to book a free hoist inspection, please contact us on 027 256 4613.